Hey everyone, I wanted to take a moment to show you how to make a transparent icon for your computer, for your Windows computer. All the tutorials I've watched so far, excluding one, has been telling me to use like Microsoft Paint, and that hasn't worked. It's always had like a background, or it had to be a square. It wasn't transparent like this. So I wanted to show you, I'll show you two ways. One, how to use your Bitmoji and things that are already transparent, and then how to remove the background. So I'm going to start with the more challenging one, the more step one. So if you're not interested in that, fast forward and watch that just in part where you maybe know how to remove the background and such like that. But let's go ahead and begin. So I want these all to be birds. And so one of my favorite ways is just using what I already had. So, which is I have Microsoft products. So I'm going to use PowerPoint. And I'm going to go to Insert, Online Photo. And I'm just going to look up birds. So type in a bird and find one that I like. So this one's cute. So let's go with that. So I get this picture. I'm going to delete the license because I don't need that. I'm going to remove that annoyingness. And I don't want all of this, right? So we need to remove the background. So when you click on the picture, you'll have this picture tools, format, remove background. You can do this with anything. And then you'll just, it does, so this reddish part, or whatever color it is for you on your computer, just means that that's going to remove that. And so I want to remove, I did the wrong one. I want to remove this part and this, and so this might take me a minute to get all that. And sometimes it's dumb and does all that. And you just gotta kind of keep playing until you're satisfied. So I'm gonna say that's pretty good. So I'm gonna keep those changes. It looks good over here. And then I'm going to right click on it, save as picture. And then I'm just going to save this as a bluebird. All right, so this is a transparent PNG. In case I failed to mention that, I can't remember now, but you save it as a picture, save it as a PNG, because otherwise it will lose the transparent. Okay, so you want it a PNG. Otherwise, the transparent will disappear. And you don't want that. So I'm not going to save it again, but that's ready. Now I'm going to head on over to this handy dandy website called Ico Convert. It's free and it's awesome for this. So then I'm just going to go find that file. I'm going to remember where I saved it. Thank you. It's right there. Click open and then upload. And then it should be right here. And then I'm just going to click on it and make a square around it. These do not move, it just moves it in and out, so don't be fooled like I was the first time I did it. And then you'll scroll down to step 3. You can choose any one of these, but because this is going to be transparent, I just go with the square. But if it's not transparent, then you could turn it into any one of these and it'd be awesome. So you can select all and it will do all of them. But I'm just going to do this for now for our purposes. I've been doing all of the sizes just so that way no matter what kind of monitor I'm using or what screen I'm using, it will look good. So that's why I have all of these selected. And then you'll click Convert ICO. Download your icon. It downloaded, it probably is off a screen and it off the recording, but it did download into my download folder. So now I'm going to go to my desktop and go to, let's just do this folder, and you'll right click on it. Click Properties, Customize, Change Icon, and also a little side note, you should move these to a folder called like Desktop Icon so you know not to delete them, because if they stay in your downloads and then you delete them, these will revert back to a folder. So they'll be gone. And then you'll just click on the file that you want that particular folder to be, and then click OK. And then OK again. And I'll move this up so it's on there, and then apply. And then okay, and there it is. I got another bird. Okay. Now let me show you what to do for like a Bitmoji. If you want yours to be a Bitmoji, that's really simple. And so the way I just showed you, you can do with any kind of file. So you can download any kind of file. So I wanted my American College of Education logo. I went into images and I just copied it, copied image, and then went into PowerPoint, right click, paste the picture. And then you can remove the background. So picture format, remove background, boom, done. Okay, I mean, I would clean that up a bit. And then again, just like I did with the bird, save as picture. So what if you, your Bitmojis are really simple because they're already PNGs and they're already transparent. So it's really simple. You just right click, save image, and then just save it however you want. Standing, we'll just do bit test. Okay. And then one more time, how to remove it or change it into an icon. Find the file, bit test, upload, put a square around it. And you don't even have to do the whole thing. If you just wanted the upper body part, you know, you could just do it that way. Make sure you click on it. So, anywho, and then all that's still the same because I haven't left the site, so it's still there. So you just want to make sure all those are selected. Download your icon. It downloaded into my download folder. Again, right click, properties, customize, pull that up a little bit, change icon, browse, there it is, okay, okay, apply, okay. And now you might be thinking, man, I want these to be bigger. How do I make these bigger? So you'll right click, view, large icons, and boom, there they all are. So, and they're really big. So, but that is how you change your icons to be super awesome, transparent, pretty, not blurry, and lots of fun. So I hope you enjoy making yours super fun. I've also seen people on MacBooks. This is where this I was inspired by. I was like, I want to do that. I saw a MacBook user change theirs to like a farm with a red barn, and then all the icons were different cows. So have fun with this and enjoy. And then I'd also love to see your creations. And so make sure you DM me on Insta or Facebook. And I would love to see yours. So thanks so much and have a great day. Bye.